guys, if this is our first time meeting, my name is Donald Yim AIFT. I am a floral designer, but I'm also love to make YouTube videos to share my tips and experience with people who have a passion for floral design. If you are passionate about floral design like me, consider subscribing. Let's create a simple and organic arrangement for Mother's Day. Here we have a kitchen garden planter box with the foam already inside. I will be using branches, permanent stems like succulent, baby eucalyptus, dusty miller to fill up the space. We will start by arranging the branches for the height, then adding the permanent stems and fresh greenery for the texture. Let's do this. Another branches here, and we'll add some greenery, fresh green. Here, some at the back, front, and then we'll add some permanent stems, baby euc, succulent, dusty miller, and some more baby euc. Next, we will group the tulips together to create a garden look. Then we will put some focal flowers, hydrangea, and avalanche roses. Put one in here. Put one at the back. Put one in here. And then put another hydrangea. Some roses. All good. After that, we will put some moss to cover the mechanic. And then we'll fill the space with white mini Gerber daisy and pussy willow. Put another one here and group the pussy willow together. This area, and then put another one here. It's all grouping. After that, we will put another Gerber daisy. This organic and elegant arrangement will look amazing for kitchen or dining room table on Mother's Day. Thank you for watching this video on how to create beautiful spring arrangements. If you want to learn more about these spring products, please check out the website floristsupply.com. We hope you feel inspired to try these designs for yourself or send them to someone special. Happy spring!